How secure is iPhone X Face ID? This week the iPhone changed in some big ways. Apple's newest flagship smartphone, the iPhone X, has no fingerprint scanner aka Touch ID. It's been replaced by something called Face ID. How facial recognition works in the new Apple iPhone X, is it secure enough for you to trust? The iPhone X has a true depth camera that maps your face and takes special 3D pictures that are used to authenticate you. Apple's Face ID technology works like a fingerprint scanner, but with one significant difference. The phone also has a special coprocessor that is suitable for machine learning algorithms, which make the system learn and adapt to you better. Face ID's security features. Apple says it has tested Face ID against masks that were basically copies of people's faces. The images captured by Face ID are kept in the encrypted memory of Apple's special coprocessor called Secure Enclave. Now that we know how Face ID works, let's discuss how it differs from traditional facial recognition techniques, which, as we pointed out in earlier posts, are quite insecure.